Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all review of this stationery that I got from Flipkart. It is basically everything from Classmate brand. So at first I have this notebooks. They are regular notebooks from Classmate, which is Classmate plus it is 180 pages and it is unruled. Okay, so it comes in this spiral bind like that kind of. So this is how the front cover pages are like. Here you get some, you have to write the names and then the answers are mentioned down. This is the page where you have to write your name and everything. This is very nicely done. I really liked it. Now next I'll have this unruled pages. So for this I didn't read that they are unruled, but it is mentioned over there it is unruled book, and also you get ruled ones as well. So in this you have to get minimum quantity 2, like you just can't buy one of this, so that's the reason I got 2. So the per book is 75 rupees. This is how the back side is of the book. It's very nice, but the pages are little bit thin. Here everything is mentioned. The price, I got this at the original price itself, that is 75 rupees. This is the pages, like if you write with, like if you paint and all, it will come behind, but with normal pens it won't come behind. This is the similar one, same to the first one. Just because I had to get 2 quantity, the minimum quantity was 2, that's the reason I got it 2. Both separately are for 75 and 75 rupees. Next I have this Classmate Plus A4 notebook. It is single line. The one which was shown on the picture was different and the one that I got is different, so you get different outer coverings maybe. And this is the outer covering where you can even attach your photo. So from here inside you have to put the photo, which can be seen on the outer cover. Then this is a page where you have to write your name and all, but I really like this one. It's very nice, cute kind of. The pages of this book is much better compared to the older ones. These are ruled. You get 180 pages in this. I got this book for 90 rupees. The original cost is 105. Again, this is spiral bound. The pages quality is very nice. Behind also you get this selfie calculator and all those kind of games kind of. The book is very nice. This one I liked more compared to the previous one. And even the back cover is this lavender color, which really looks very nice. So here the price is mentioned. The original price is 105. Next I have this pack of 6 books. They are regular notebooks in which you get ruled and unruled ones. I had read that this will be unruled, so these are the pack of 6 which I got, which are unruled books. So you get of one the same outer cover. You will get two books which will have same outer cover like this. These books are very nice, like which you can use normally for school and all, even daily use. So here the price is mentioned 55 rupees per book. So if you go to calculate 55 by 6, you will get 330 total cost. But I got this for 296 rupees, so you get it at cheaper rate online. These are again unruled, so there are no lines, but you get even ruled ones in this, which I'll be trying out some other time. but it will be similar to this. The quality is very nice that they sent, so you can definitely buy this one, and you can even save as well. All the books are same. This is a 160 pages book. And for last, I have this set of pen that I got. It is Octane Flow ball pen. Get it in this packaging. You actually get 10 pens, but one more extra you get, that is free. It is 10 rupees per pen, so 100 rupees, but one is free, but I got it for 85 rupees, so you can save lot of money. This is how the pen looks like. It's made of plastic. Here you can see like inside refill. This is how the refill is. And it also get this covering, which you'll have to remove before writing. They cover it up so the pens doesn't get dry up. This is how the tip is. I'll write and show it to y'all. It's very smooth. It's a nice pen in this price range. Good for daily use kind of. So those of you who use ball pens, you can give it a try. It's very fine. So this is how it looks like. It's a very good pen. You can definitely give it a try. All the products are very nice that I brought in this stationery haul. I'll be leaving the link of all this in the description box, so you can check it out.